Today I'm gonna show you how to set up the stem microphone on your Windows laptop or computer. You need to have a USB type C connector, and I will test it with one microphone. Okay, let's begin. Okay, first I'm gonna connect it to laptop. Okay, second, okay, we have here microphone array. I'm gonna unplug it to test it. Okay, okay, it works. Now we're gonna test the sound, if it really records. Okay, now we're gonna choose our microphone, USB audio. Okay, and you need to click here. Okay, it's on. Now I'm gonna start to record something. Hello, hello, 1, 2. Okay, let's see. Hello, hello, 1, 2. Okay, it works definitely.